identify some of the top leading airdrops in 2024, today we have landed on another airdrop which I believe could be one of the biggest leading up to this year. Now, what is that airdrop? The airdrop is called Blast. Now, what exactly is Blast and how we can claim the airdrop is something we are going to discuss in today's video. So with that being said, let's jump on to the video right away. Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash up the like button and hit the subscribe button as well. And do not forget to join us on our Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the descriptions below. So guys, let's jump on straight onto the video. Now, what exactly is Blast? So the Blast is an Ethereum layer 2 with native yield for Ethereum and stablecoins which are on the Ethereum network, of course. What does that mean? So basically, if you are staking Ethereum or stablecoins on the Ethereum network with the Blast network, then you will be getting returns and yields on top of it. You will also get airdrops. Now, what is the main reason why we are so excited about Blast? Now, Blast has got an amazing community, guys. Now, if we just go to their Twitter, for instance, we can see that already they have about 237,000 followers, guys. Yes, 237,000 followers. Also, they are backed by some of the top leading VCs in the crypto ecosystem, including the likes of Paradigm, Standard Crypto, and there are a few other individuals which you can see on the dashboard directly here itself. Now, in order to access the Blast ecosystem, what you need, the first and the foremost thing that you require is an early access code, right? That you need, the invite code basically. Now, where can you get the invite code? Well, first of all, if you're watching this video, go down to the description section right now and get your invite code. The invite codes are there, but if they are already being used and if you're watching this video at a later stage, then of course you can head over to their Discord channel and you can get your invite code. So let's quickly paste the invite code that we have and enter the Blast ecosystem. So now, as we can see, we have given our invite code and we have entered into the Blast ecosystem. Before we get onto the staking requirements, there are a few other requirements that we need to do. The first of all is we need to connect our Twitter with it. So let's do it right away. So you just click on this button and you're logged on to Twitter. Your Twitter will be connected with the Blast ecosystem right away. So I just authorize the Twitter app over here and our Twitter is connected right now. Now, once the Twitter is connected, you can see the Twitter is connected. The next part is the Discord part. So you need to connect your Discord as well. So you click on connect Discord, and like how we did for Twitter, we just need to authorize and approve and we'll be able to connect our Discord with the Blast Discord as well. Now, once that is done, then we need to connect the wallet. Now, what wallets can we connect? You can connect any Ethereum compatible wallets. The most widely used is of course MetaMask. So once we click on connect wallet, it will give me the options, whatever I have. So let's say I have MetaMask, so I just simply click on MetaMask and it will ask me to approve on my wallet. Now, once I have connected my wallet, then I'll be taken directly to this page wherein I have actually deposited some Ethereum to show you guys how you can do it. So you can also do that right away. If you are going for the first time, you will not be on this page. Rather, you will be landing directly on the bridging page wherein you will be asked to bridge. Now, how can you bridge or what are the things that you can bridge? Again, as I mentioned, you can either bridge Ethereum or any of the stable coins that are available on the Ethereum network. So for example, let's say I want to bridge Ethereum, just simply select Ethereum over here. How much I want to bridge? Let's say I want to bridge very minimum quantity 0.02 and I just submit it over here. Then I'll be asked to confirm it on my wallet, and once I confirm on my wallet, then it will actually show me the confirmation and how many spins and what is the yield that I am due for. And also friends, what you will also get is you will also be getting your invite codes which you can share with your network of friends as well. So guys, it's that easy. You can simply do that by clicking on deposit and you can simply deposit Ethereum. Mind you, the one important thing is that the Ethereum that we are staking right now on the Blast network will be available to unlock only in February of 2024. So if you are comfortable with that, you can always do that and you can earn your yields and you can earn the spins and ultimately earn a few airdrop tokens as well, right? So guys, that's how easily you can actually do it. And if you want to join the Blast network, the codes again are there on the description below. Make sure you deposit as much as you can, but mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your research before you deposit even 0.1 Ethereum as well, right guys? So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.